Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into a topic that has been eye-opening. A new research about a global health issue that has been raising concerns all over the world, and it's nearly two-thirds of the adults worldwide that are affected by it. That's right, we are talking about nutrient deficiencies specifically. We are going to explore how millions, even billions of people are missing out on those key nutrients and minerals that are crucial for health. Whether you think you are eating a balanced diet or not, this research might help you. We will break down what these nutrients are, why they matter for your body, and of course, what foods are need to be eaten to get through these efficient nutrients. Trust me, this one video you don't want to miss. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our health and wellness content. So let's start with the facts. Recent research published in the Lancet Global Health uh, uncovered some thing that was very shocking. About two-thirds of adults worldwide are not getting enough of these key nutrients, which are iodine, vitamin E, calcium, and iron. So that's even 5 billion people. So just think about that second, how concerning it is. Ty Bell, a researcher and co-author of this study, said that these nutrient gaps are much worse than we previously thought, and they are leading to serious health problems on a global scale. And what is really interesting is that this isn't just a problem in poor or developing countries. This is happening everywhere from the US and Europe and to Asia and to Africa. The data was gathered from almost 185 countries, which is a very huge sample size, and giving us a clear picture of how this widespread issue is. It's not just about tracking food, it's about tackling the right kinds of foods that supply these essential nutrients. And that brings us to the next point. So, why do these nutrients matter so much to our body? Okay, let's break down these four nutrients one by one. So, first is iodine. Iodine is crucial for making thyroid hormones and which controls your metabolism, help with brain development, and even affect your heart health. So, without enough iodine, you can develop thyroid disorders or thyroid symptoms, which lead to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, and even mood swings. Surprisingly, around 68% of the people globally don't get enough iodine in their diet. And this isn't just as an issue in some countries, it's happening everywhere, even in the regions with access to variety of foods. Next is vitamin E, which you might not be well known, but it's absolutely vital. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage, then supports your immune system, and even helps you with skin health. You need to think more people will be paying attention to this, right? But well, about 50 to 67% of worldwide people are following about this diet of vitamin E. Now, third is the calcium. This one is probably the most familiar to us. We will all know calcium is important from strong bones and health. But do you know it also plays a role in muscle function and nervous system as well? With not having enough calcium, we can develop issues like muscle cramps, weakness, and even health and heart related problems as well over time. So, shockingly, about 66% of adults are not getting the enough calcium they need. And finally, we have iron. Iron is very essential for carrying oxygen in the blood, and lack of it can lead to anemia, which is particularly common in women. Anemia causes fatigue, weakness, and even difficulty concentrating. The research shows that 65% of adults globally are iron deficient. That's huge, right? Think about how many people are walking around with low energy or health issues that could be linked directly to lack of them. So now, I know all this talk about deficiencies might sound a little scary, but here is good news. This is something we can actively work on through our diets. Let's dive into what foods are rich in these essential nutrients, so we can start making changes today itself in our diet and lifestyle. For iodine, foods like COD and seaweed are great sources, as also dairy products like yogurt and milk are also great sources. Other than that, eggs are also another excellent option. But if you don't eat fish or dairy, or if you are vegetarian, consider adding iodized salt to your diets, which can help fill the iodine deficiency in your body. Next is vitamin E. For this, you should go to nuts and sweets. Um, Sunflower seeds and almonds are especially rich in this vitamin, and leafy green vegetables like spinach and kiwi can also be boost your vitamin E deficiencies. And if you like cooking with oils, then you can use sunflower and olive oil, food which are both great sources of vitamin E. Then third is calcium. We tend to think of these dairy products first for calcium requirements, and yes, they are great sources as well. But if you are avoiding the dairy, or if you are lactose intolerant, then don't worry, there are other options as well. Sardines and salmon fish are also packed with calcium. And if you want some plant-based sources, then foods like soybean, tofu, and chia seeds are also good sources. You can even get fortified plant-based milks that have calcium added in them, so keep an eye on those labels. And last is iron. You should be more consuming foods of shellfish like oysters and clams into your meals, and along with that, red meat like beef, which is very rich source of iron. But if you are vegetarian or vegan, so there are plenty of plant-based options as well, like beans, lentils, chickpeas, and spinach are also great sources of iron. One thing we need to note here, like plant-based iron is absorbed when paired with vitamin C rich foods. So try eating your spinach with some citrus-based fruits like amla, then lemon or bell peppers to boost absorption. So this was the main deficiencies and the foods from where we can complete those. The big takeaway from this video here is that nutrient deficiencies aren't something you can always see or feel right away. Many of us think we are eating well, but the truth is these gaps in our diet are more common than we realize, and they can have a huge impact on our health. It's not just about getting enough calories, it's about eating the right kind of foods to fuel our bodies with the vitamins and minerals we need. Remember, this is an issue affecting people across all income levels and all regions. Whether you are in a high income country or developing nation, nutrient deficiencies are a widespread issue. But by being mindful of what we eat and making small changes, we can start to close these nutrient gaps and improve our overall health. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about how important it is to get these key nutrients in our diets. And as always, don't forget to subscribe for such more health and wellness content. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.